We've been hearing, get ready for another plunge on the weather roller coaster, as we like to call it, as a cold front heads our way tomorrow. So how many times have you had the heat on in the morning and switched to the AC in the afternoon? David Gonzalez is talking to experts about how to keep your system running smoothly.
Len, just like this weather has us wearing shorts one day and sweaters the next day, it has people at home using both their air conditioners and their heaters. But there's some do's and don'ts you need to follow. Mother Nature's power has been on full display in Houston this year, from an historic freeze in February to a hot and wet summer, and now winter is right around the corner. December has brought with it a little bit of everything.
It's going to automatically just cut it off.
Scott Spears with Village Plumbing and Air says the roller coaster of temperatures has had their technicians working around the clock.
We've been very busy this year, and including right now, where we're supposed to be checking on heaters, we're still working on air conditioners.
Spears says with cold weather on deck this weekend, people will be reaching for the thermostat once again.
So you're running air conditioning today when it's 80, and then tomorrow you're going to be running the heaters.
But he says there's mistakes folks make going back and forth.
We get a lot of people calling in saying, my heat's not working. And that's strictly because they haven't switched it from the cool setting to the heat setting.
It sounds like common sense, but Spears says it happens a lot. He also wants people to be aware of switches in their attics.
People go upstairs to get their Christmas decorations down. And there's a light switch that turns the light on, and there's a light switch that turns the unit off, the direct power to the unit. And inevitably, they're constantly turning off the power to the unit.
If you plan to turn on your heater when it gets cold, look out for strange smells, which may be a sign that something is wrong.
All the equipment has a safety switch.
Spears urges everyone to get their HVAC units checked out to ensure everything is working properly. HVAC experts say calls for service will spike once the cold gets here for longer periods of time, so don't get caught waiting for a technician. Len, back to you.
Thanks, David.